जय श्रीमन्नारायण 331st नामं from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Om Dhuriyaya Namaha. O Srimannarayana, I realize that you are the one who, when came down as Kurma Narayana, went under the water, and from there you were supporting, you were bearing the entire mountain, entire ocean, all devatas and all asuras and the entire earth. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Dhuriyaya Namaha. Om Dhuriyaya Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, Jabali saying to Rama, saying that, "O Rama, as and how when someone is traveling from one place to other place, on his way he will stop by at some place, and from there again he will start traveling. When he stops at some place, he would not remember where he stopped and what he was enjoying. He just forgets about everything and again he will continue his travel. So also on our way, in our life, the mother, father, house, wealth, everything comes just like that only. We should not be carrying them all the way until our journey is over. No, we should just forget. As and how we go and stay in a hotel and or other places, as and how we forget them, so also we should be forgetting all kind of relations and start continuing our journey. O Rama, we should never carry them in our thoughts. So also don't think about all this Pitru Devatas and everything. O Rama, your father gave your kingdom. Come on, you are in a very young age. You go ahead and enjoy this kingdom. You should not be doing this and living in this forest. O Rama, you start enjoying the wealth and enjoying all pleasures, comforts out of this kingdom. Raja Bhogan Anubhavan. Viharatvam Ayodhyayam. Come back to Ayodhya and start enjoying everything, Rama. And Nate Kaschit Dasarathatvam. You are no one to Dasaratha. For you, Dasaratha is no one. Don't worry about all these things. Tasyana Kaschana. So also you are same thing to Dasaratha. He doesn't care you. Come on. Kuru Yaduchyate. As and how I say, come back and start ruling the kingdom and start enjoying everything. You know what, Rama? For our birth, father is very, very tiny reason, tiny cause, whereas mother is the main cause. So, your father has gone to where he is supposed to be going. He has gone there. Don't carry all these false relations and start worrying about them. O Rama, whatever the pleasures right now existing right in front of you for you to enjoy, come on, go ahead and enjoy all those comforts. Pitru Devatas, and for them giving Shraddham. All these things are nothing but wasting the money, nothing but wasting the food and other things. Otherwise, how would they enjoy when we are putting Shraddham here, Rama? Mrutohi kim asishyati. Those who already died, how are they going to enjoy with this Shraddham and everything? How are they going to accept and receive this food? If at all like that, if someone is traveling from our home to different distant place, We should also be doing Shraddham for them. If we put Shraddham here, they should be accepting and enjoying, and their stomachs also should be filling with the food. Is that happening? Are we not seeing that? It is not happening. So also if we put Shraddham here, Pitru Devatas are not going to be enjoying, and there is no such thing at all. Ho Rama, all these Devata Puja, charities, righteousness, yajnas, diksha, everything is absolutely false. There are some smart people, for them to earn some money, they wrote all these scriptures. Don't just ignore them, all of them, and don't worry about them. There is no paralokam, there is no other world. Understand me very well, and then come back, and whatever right now is ready for you to enjoy, start enjoying. Paroksham prushthatah kuru. Whatever is saying that if you do like this in other world you will enjoy, just ignore all those things and keep aside. Come back, Rama. Like this, Jabali is giving a dialogue to, giving a suggestion to Ramachandra Swami, which is totally against our Sanatana Dharma, our Vedic Dharma. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. With meditation upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 36th sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Skandaha Skandadharo Dhuryo Varado Vayuvahanaha Vasudevo Bruhadbhanuhu Adidevaha Purandaraha. Om Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Om Dhuriyaya Namaha. Om Dhuriyaya Namaha. Om Dhuriyaya Namaha.